So, welcome back to part 6 of our behaviour change video tutorial series. This time we're going to be digging into the 4-minute rule. It's a short, brief one, and it's to complement all the tutorials that we've done prior to this, so the previous 5. So we can bring all of those tools in and apply them to the 4-minute rule. So we've got our SMART goals, we've identified what the root cause is, we're looking at our behaviours, we're monitoring with our diaries, and what we're looking at is this inner dialogue, listening and hearing exactly what it's saying so that we can make our best choices. What the 4-minute rule is going to do for you is similar to what the 4-second rule is. I don't know if you've heard of the 4-second rule. If I'm the only one, then I'm going nuts, but basically if you drop some food on the floor, 4-second rule, pick it up within 4 seconds, it's still edible. Are you familiar with that one, or is that just me? So the point is, within that 4 seconds, 4 minutes, we have an opportunity to make a decision. What behaviour choice are we going to make? So let's consider some of our examples, like avoiding eating something we really don't want to be eating, but we're tempted to, and one of our inner voices is saying, yeah, go on, have that bar of chocolate. If we can take 4 minutes to listen and hear our voices, listen to our decision-making internal dialogues, and understand what is going to be the best choice for me. Can I make a more rational behaviour change, or a rational choice which will change my behaviour towards a choice that I would prefer, rather than one that's driving me towards behaviour I don't want? Now, this is one of my favourite tools in the behaviour change kit bag, because I used the 4-minute rule when I was stopping smoking. Yeah, I used to smoke fags a long time ago, and I knew at the time I wanted to acknowledge how hard it was for me. So I developed a system using the 4-minute rule. Each time I wanted a cigarette, I would stop. I would ask myself questions for 4 minutes. How will I feel if I have it? What's it costing? What's it doing to my body? What will I smell like? How will I feel emotionally? What would I feel like if I don't smoke? How rewarding will it be? How long will the effects of whether I smoke or don't smoke last at this point? And over those 4 minutes, I was able to make a rational choice, and over time, condition my behaviour to make the choices I was wanting to make, rather than what my desires were driving me towards. So let's also consider the getting home from work, intending to go moving, but actually feeling tired and looking at the sofa. Let's take that example. Can we get home, maybe stand and look at the trainers that we've put on the sofa the night before, question ourselves, how am I going to feel if I do go? How will I feel if I don't go? What are the benefits of going? What are the benefits of not going? And taking these 4 minutes, you actually make more rational choices. It's often that spontaneous, momentary reaction where we make the bad choices. We just go with the easy option, or we go with the habit that we have formed. So try it out. Next time you're faced with a chocolate bar, sitting down rather than exercising, or one of those moments, those danger zones that we identified, remember last time in part 5, take 4 minutes. Listen, it might take you 2 minutes, maybe it'll take you 10 minutes, it doesn't matter, but basically you take a period of time. Around about 4 minutes is long enough, but short enough not to look a little bit weird, as if you're going to steal the chocolate bar. So take the time, practice it, see how it feels. Sometimes actually sitting on the sofa might be a good choice. So we've got to be reasonable with every variable surrounding our choice. So really listen to your inner dialogue, think about the danger zone, what's right or wrong for you at that point, and then you can make a smarter, more informed decision. So please do let me know how these videos are going for you. Are they helping? Do they pose you any questions? Is there anything more you want me to add in? And what we look at next time is attitudes, PMA, and willpower, right? So don't forget, if you've missed the prior 5 parts to this video tutorial series, you can go to the Biomechanics Education YouTube channel. You can go to the website, biomechanicseducation.com, or ping me an email over, send me your questions, send me your feedback, rachel@biomechanicseducation.com.